Yoga is a complete science in unit space. Nija yogis and yoginis realize God through Nija yoga. Yogic mind is so powerful with divine nature and spiritual culture. Grihasthas or family men also can become yogis and yoginis in unit space with earnest effort, with questful mind. Grihasthas are not deprived of being in an exalted state of mind in Nija yoga. Energization, evolution and education is inbuilt in Nija yogic life under Nija yogic tree. Yogic powerful meditation is unique with highest 3 syllables that purifies the human body system. Yoga is not a devotional activity. It is a questful life of realizable God consciousness with which many can feel they are changing their mind, intellect and ego to absorb the cosmic power, to see that their life is becoming beautiful, wonderful with the experiences of divinity within. The kingdom of God is within you. Yogic life is so wonderful. Meditate and realize God. Messengers of love and religion of yogic love. All those who are feeling a rapport with M is spirituality, they know that spiritual life is a transformative life of feeling the entire cosmos within with universal heart. Love becomes practical. Globe Menons and MESSOULS.